join us today as we try to get this cork oak out of the ground before spring hits again. Join us today. So if you're still watching this, this has been in the ground for about 2 years. I think this is the second year. I moved it once. I moved it from there to here, and what I did, it was basically I saw the bottom, pulled it up, moved it, and called it a day. And right now this thing is you got to remember, in spring we cut a new leader, so this is our new leader, thickened to the size that I really need to get to today. So once I'm going to do a first cut around with the Sawzall. Thank you, my wife, that gave me a new Christmas toy. We're going to saw around it, cut this piece off here so we actually have a new callus spot for it to grow, and then we're going to remove a good chunk of this today, so actually we can move it around a little more easier. I'm going to leave most of the stuff on there for leverage, so I can actually move this tree around. It's pretty much rooted in, so wish me luck, because not sure how many hours it's going to take to get this guy just out and clean the bottom. And then I'll think about repotting. I got some time to think about this one. I most likely will probably put it right back into an Anderson pot. So that's kind of the gist of it. So, well, if you guys like it, follow along. I might do a time lapse. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but we'll figure that out. Probably a time lapse would be best. All right, popped them out. Didn't cut any of the my lines. Just making sure I didn't cut any of the lines. Some really fibrous roots kind of grew through the pot. You can see that kind of grew the pot. I most likely need to cut this pot out, make a small root ball, and then go from there. What I'm gonna do right now is kind of trim the bottom off, and then reassess what kind of grow box I can probably get this into. I might have to use a wooden box, I think, or a plastic tray. I'm not sure. I gotta kind of reevaluate the bottom and then figure out what to go next. Most likely it'll probably end up one of my benches over there, the newly built benches, excuse me. Yeah, so let me do a time lapse and can continue this. Alrighty. I don't know what to say. I think I did most of the work. I need to call my call the expert on cork oaks on this baby. That'd be Michael Roberts probably. So I cut off the top here. I'm going to seal it pretty quick. I'm going to leave this stub here. That's what kind of grew out. Not bad. So that was cut in the summertime. This what grew out in about 3 months, and then gonna wire these guys down, and I'm gonna cut it probably right around here somewhere, and then hopefully that's the one I want to go that direction. That's the one I want. Yeah, so hopefully I'll cut it around here. Yeah, I'll cut around here. Hopefully something will pop out here. I'll force that one to come out. So I'll be safe. I'll cut here. That actually, let me cut it here, somewhere around here to force that one. And then this will have a shorter node and kind of go that way. Get my new top right around here. Call it a day. But you can see how that guy's been growing. So I got this tree from George Morinaka one of my first couple years. It was only like smaller than, oh no, I broke a branch. Oh well, it's okay. It's a back branch. It was probably a little bigger than this, give or take. Not much bigger than this. And then grew these guys out. So you too can grow your own cork oak in about 10 years. It's not that long. All right. You call Michael Roberts down. Hey, Michael Roberts, what are you gonna do now? Guys, like the video, like and subscribe. And see you guys next time. Bye.